Alright guys, so I'm just reading through the comments on the that video, and I was wondering, I'm thinking more of 150 for just cutting everything down is all I'm gonna offer. Probably it's just 150 for chopping everything down, just so it doesn't get too overgrown and she has to pay tons of money, because I mean she lives on her own, so I was just gonna offer something so it won't get too overgrown, so I could go in there and cut it all down. So let me guys what you think of 150. Plan is go in there, hit what I can with the line trimmer on the FS90R, come back in there with the blade on the FS90R, and then whatever, and then I'll go from that. I won't have to haul it in the giant piles if I can find one. And searching. Let's see. Something like go on full screen so I can find this. This is my video, just for certain reasons. But like, go back a little bit. It's gonna come up right on that side, right there. That thing, that too. Those are just limbs and stuff from trees that were taken down. But yeah, so just 150. How does that sound? I don't want to charge her too much because, yeah, I mean it's just light brush. I'm not taking any trees down, just chopping everything down. But yeah, so how does 150 sound? Let me know about that. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Rate, comment, and subscribe.